How to enable Instagram dark mode. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Again tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on accessibility. Now tap on dark mode. Now select on. Now the second method is again tap on the profile. Go to dark mode. Tap on three lines. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on dark mode and select system default. Now go back to the home screen. Now scroll down a notification panel. Again scroll down and find dark mode. Now enable dark mode. Now go back to Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.